welcome back to my channel, Ayesha Salazar. And I know who someone can love me. My family. They are important to me and they're really special. I know that my family loves me and I love my family. No one else can say that my family don't love me because I know that my family loves me very much. So I am a good girl because of my family. I am like this because of my family. I know that someone who can love me, that is my family. Like my brother, my sister, my mom, my dad, grandma, grandpa, and more. They are my family. I really love them. Inis, hindi. Dapat sobrang hirap. You are really special to me, my family. Please love me. I don't want to say please because I know you love me. I am a good girl because of my family. I am no one else can say me that I am ugly. I am ugly to love someone because it's not true. It's not true. I know why my family loving me because I am a good girl, a good person that who can love someone like my family. Family is special, and I know that your family is special to you, right? I know. So don't say that I don't love my family. Don't say, and don't say that my family don't love me because it's not true. I know who someone can told me na I am a good girl. I am a good girl. I know who can someone told me that I am a good girl. I know that. And I really love my family. I really, really, really love. No one anything else can love me. Just my family. Guys, thanks for watching my video for today. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Just comment hashtag Ayesha Salazar.